Morning everybody.
I am here. Morning.
Just had breakfast. Just been watching a couple, I think they're called Eula and Josh, who are living on a narrowboat down near Devizes, I think they are. So yesterday I spent most of the day updating this website of mine to make it look more like a proper website. But it seems that one of the reviews is all jumbled up and not making any sense, because I've had a message from Michael this morning telling me it don't make any sense, and he's rewrote it out for me. So I'm going to rectify that this morning when we've done here.
I'm here, guys.
Oh, we're at it just about all day, really.
5 to 11.
What about you?
What?
You are
What were
up
I
and
doing?
down, here and there.
Oh, I don't know what I was doing. Yesterday. Did I do some ironing? I think I did. Yeah, I think I did some ironing.
There's nothing happening in our lives particularly exciting at the moment.
No, not yet.
It's so very
Just
mundane.
General things, isn't it?
Mm.
We're just waiting while you've had van done. And then we can buzz off.
Yeah.
So, I'm just trying to think what else that I did yesterday.
I've got to try and organise this week with surgery to get a double lot of tablets
Yeah.
for when we go off in May.
Do I have to go up to surgery, do you think? Or...
To the Isle of Man.
Oh yes, I know we're going to the island.
Well, the surgery will be open tomorrow, like.
Yeah.
No doubt it'll be hectic. First day after holidays.
Yeah. I think so.
And although it's Monday, it's bank holiday Monday, so I don't know about going to Asda.
No. We haven't made his minds up, have we yet?
About that. Might be mayhem in there.
It might be. Yeah. I think we said we might leave it well tomorrow, didn't we?
Yeah, I'm not sure which way around. Tracy says that it was closed on Sunday, so it'll be busy today. It's so funny that it'll be closed on Sunday and open today when today's bank holiday Monday.
Yeah, but they do open on bank holidays, don't they? Them sort of places.
Yeah, they do.
You know, they have sales and things on at furniture shops and different
Yeah.
things like that, don't they? On holidays.
Oh, you probably realise I put another tutorial, the last bit of that drawing I last worked on. I put that on this morning, separately. It's not going on as part of this.
No. Right.
And the canal is absolutely
Humming.
today. And runners, I think there's a charity event on.
Yeah. There's a chap there with.
There was a band on at one of the pubs down in Rodley, but we could hear it, but
Oh yeah, it was loud.
we didn't go down.
No, I didn't. No. It's a bit of a grey cloud up there.
Yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to be going to do.
No, I don't.
It's been good weather for people who've been
Yeah,
off.
for people who are on holiday. Yeah, taking this time to be. Well, you have to when you're working, don't you? It's the only time you get is these holidays.
Mm.
You look forward to them. School holidays. What?
I suppose as each year goes by, the population just continues to increase.
Mm.
And I suppose at one time you could go off at bank holiday.
Yeah.
It won't be too crushed. Won't be too...
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe it will.
I mean, I suppose when we were young, you know, not many people had cars
No,
to be going to these places, did they?
no.
You know, I mean, I can remember going to Butlins on train, getting a bus into town and then train or coach. Yeah,
Mm.
I remember going to Blackpool on train.
You do?
Yeah, Butlins at Blackpool, I think. It was Butlins at Blackpool. Then we once stayed in one of these B&Bs.
I don't know if there's a Butlins at Blackpool.
Oh, it might be B&B. I know we stayed longer than we should.
Oh, right. Well, I thought that's when you went to Sands End. When you stayed in a B&B and stayed longer than you should.
No, that was Blackpool.
Oh, all right.
And when we went to Sands End, I was staying with a family.
Oh,
My mum were looking after the gentleman
oh,
because they were ill.
right.
And they owned this house at Sands End.
All right.
Showed you it.
You did. Still there.
Yeah, it's still there. Used to walk into Whitby. Along the sand. Went to see we're out.
Nice walk.
Yeah, it's a long one.
We did it with my mum.
We did. Yeah.
She was in her 70s then.
I think we went, did we go Topway though?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we didn't go
go
outside.
on sand, did we?
No.
We went Topway. Yeah. Yeah. She could walk well in her 70s. Could you, ma'am?
She could.
She sort of slowed down as she got into her 80s, didn't she?
Yeah. I thought we'd take after her in that respect. Because I can walk
Yeah,
a long way.
you can. Yeah. Oh. I think I'm going to give our Pamela a ring today and see what she's doing this week.
Oh, right.
See if we can meet up. I've been meaning to do it all weekend. Oh, such a...
You what, Pat?
I've been going to do it all weekend, but I'm such a,
Well,
you
yeah.
know, don't like using phone person. What are you going to read to us, darling?
Well, this is 5th of November.
Oh,
Remember the 5th of November.
oh, bonfire night.
Gunpowder, treason and plot.
Yep.
Cold sunny day today. The decking was covered in leaves again. So I cleaned it yet again. Last night I walked down to Woody's to see if anything was going on, but it was quite dead. I played golf again today. It's quite muddy now after all the rain we've had. The temperature is dropping, but the van feels quite warm. That's the static. Got some spots or bites on my forehead. Put in Sudocrem on them, but no sign of them going yet.
Yeah.
Following day, a beautiful sunny day today. Didn't do much in the morning, just brought the bedding out of the camper. Went to the shop on the park for a few bits and pieces. Then after lunch I played golf. I don't know what I would do with myself if I didn't play golf. It's true, I know. The sun was so bright I couldn't see my ball in flight. The ground is very soft again. It was going on for 5 p.m. when I finished.
It's a bit poimy, that.
It's what?
It's a bit poimy, you know.
The sun was so bright I couldn't see the ball in flight.
Yeah, but even the first bit before that.
I don't know what I would do with myself if I didn't play golf.
I couldn't.
I don't know what I'd do with myself. I'm so lonesome.
I just thought when you were reading it, it sounded rhymey, you know, so it flowed.
It was going on for 5 when I finished. Don't know why it took me so long. The nights are getting cold now, but so far the van feels warm. Yeah, because we moved into the van in March, so we haven't had a winter in it.
No. It was nice though. It was warm.
Following day. Well, the weather is just so bad today. Cold, windy and wet. We got to Louth to do a big shop. I dropped Pat off at Morrison's and go and get my hair cut. The barber is a young woman. She acts like she's just bored to death and doesn't want to be there. Cutting old man's hair. Is this life? Cutting old men's hair. That's the impression she gave me. We get back and I don't go out. I just get fed up in the house or the van all afternoon. But it's better than being at work. Like the groundsman on the course in this cold rain. Yeah, I used to feel sorry for them. They would give the right arm to be in my van all afternoon. Yeah, they would. I used to chat with groundsmen. They were friendlier than golfers. And Canada geese.
Yeah, it was just a lot of work keeping that caravan clean, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I thought the decking, because it was UPVC, that it'd stay cleaner, but you always seem to be brushing it down and wiping it, mopping it down.
I just have to brush all cobwebs off it.
Yeah.
And then wipe it all down. It used to get sticky.
Yeah. Sticky.
I think it must have been where we were.
Yeah. Because there were some trees behind us, weren't there? Only
an
odd tree here
small
and there.
trees. They weren't covered in trees.
No.
Anyhow, that was that.
That was that. So,
I suppose I was like a middle class retired bloke playing golf every day.
Yeah.
Not exactly what I intended.
Not what you intended.
No.
No. What did you intend?
Travel. Move about, but just we had to have a base. But the base became too basic. Too base. Too much base and not enough at t'other.
Why was that?
It can get like that now.
Yeah, I think that was because I was
There's all the summer.
feeling well then.
All the summer to interrupt. You never. But watching them two on that boat.
I mean, the
They all-
DIY in and...
They have to, when they have to move somewhere near where there's one of these toilet, Elson stations, you know, to empty the cassette. As it was, they had to put it in a trolley and pull it along towpath to wherever they were going to empty it. So even then you're not totally free, are you? You've always got to be near. I mean, we'd be marooned because
well, we'd have to empty
we
out
have
a
to empty
cassette.
it every day. Well, I bet they're not that close together.
No, definitely not. For sure.
Yeah, I don't think living on a boat would do for us.
No. Well, he's fallen in twice and he's young and fit.
And I might have found another way of holding my phone for filming me doing drawings.
All right.
Because it is very
Awkward.
difficult. Very difficult. Because I ain't got... This won't tilt enough.
Right.
And me, you know, my gimbal broke, so... Suppose maybe should have a look and see if I can find some online. Well, this one's expensive, but I'd have to find some. Anyway, we'll try this new
And at an angle.
thing I've got. Oh, all right. So that's it for today. Another non-event for you. Sorry about that. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes, all being well. Bye, folks.
We will. Bye.